welcome you all to the SPCM channel. Today you are all joining with me to learn on the lesson India Agriculture. So maybe you have a question. This lesson only in previous videos you shared, no? Yes, of course I shared this lesson only in the previous video also, but I shared only the short answer and up to the second detail only I shared in the previous videos. So in this video I will share to you all on the remaining two detail. So before getting to the video, before learn that both the detail, please share the previous videos. Please tell about this video to your friends and to your relatives and to everyone whom do you know. So I hope everyone will do the things whatever I asked you all. So now join with me to learn on the third detail and fourth detail. This is also belongs to the matriculation syllabus or otherwise state board syllabus. So now join with me. So the third detail, intensive and mixed farming. Intensive and mixed farming. First we have to write about intensive. Okay, here you have to write intensive farming or the agricultural intensification of mechanization which help us to improve the quantity of yields from the available land through using pesticides and heavy fertilizers. So chemical fertilizers. So here nothing. Intensive farming, it's a type of agriculture. We have to promote the yields. We have to improve the yields by using the pesticide, by using the fertilizer. No, that is what the intensive farming. So this is a kind of agriculture which help us to improve the quantity of crops by using pesticides and fertilizer. This is what information. So I just used a lot of fat to explain about this paragraph, but the thing is intensive farming is a kind of agriculture which help us to get more quantity of product by using fertilizers and pesticides. That is what the information you should write under the side heading of intensive farming. So next one, mixed farming. Mixed farming. So here mixed farming means actually when we do all the activities, we are not only do the production of crops, we will grazing the cattle, we are doing the poultry and we are raising the cattle. So these everything are included in the mixed farming. It doesn't mean this is what mixed farming, this is what mixed farming. All kinds of activities is commonly referred as the mixed farming. Let me to write in about mixed farming. It includes It includes all the agricultural activities such as poultry, raising cattle, production of crops, everything, etc. Even fishery also included. Sorry, one more thing, fishery also included. So whatever the activities which we are doing, that everything is commonly referred as the mixed farming. It doesn't mean only to the production of rice or wheat or like that. So all kind of activities, whatever the kinds of activities which are doing by the farmer or by the agriculturist, you know, that everything is what comes under mixed farming. That's what like raising cattle, like poultry, and even fishery, everything is what referred as the mixed farming. Very, very, very easiest answer. It may come in an exam, but not as an important answer, but you don't leave any answer even though it's an unimportant one. You have to go through once. We don't know how does the question will make by the preparators. They can make it any way. Sometimes they will ask only an important answer. Sometimes they will ask even an unimportant question. So you have to prepare well, whatever the kind of question it is. So here, that is what intensive farming and mixed farming. Then the last detail of this lesson is, what are the geographical factors suitable for the cultivation of rice and wheat? What are the geographical factors suitable for the cultivation of rice and wheat? Let me to write in a board. First one, you have to make the side heading rice. So you have to write one by one point. First one, it's an indigenous product. It's an indigenous product. Second one, India ranks second place on the production of rice after China. So I wrote that point in different way, in different usage of words. But the thing is, India occupied the second place on production of rice after China. Or after China, India is producing more rice. China was the first place on production of rice. After China, India is the second place on the production of rice. That's the second point which I am doing in a board. Second thing, third thing will be temperature. For the temperature, here we need 27 degrees Celsius. we need. Fourth one, rainfall. 150 centimeter rainfall we need. Fifth one, we need clayey and loam soil. clayey and loamy soil. Sixth one, for rice production we need more laborers. So we need abundant laborers. Abundant laborers. Abundant laborers with cheap wages. So it's an indigenous product. India ranks second place on the production of rice after China. It needs the temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Then 150 centimeter rainfall it require. Then rice is suitable to produce on the clayey soil and loamy soil, and we need abundant laborers with cheap wages. So these are the factors. These are the geographical factors which necessary for the rice production. Next one, wheat production. Wheat. So for rice, actually I told 27 degree temperature. No, it's wrong. Sorry for the mistake. It's not 27 degree, 24 degree Celsius temperature it require. Rice require 24 degree Celsius to produce the crop. So here wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop in India. First point. Wheat is the second most important crop in India. Second point. 22% of land occupied by the wheat production in India. Actually, among the 100% of production in India, among the 100% of production in India, we are using 22% of land for the production of wheat. That's the second point. And at the time of sowing, when we start to grow the wheat, at that time temperature must need 10 to 15, and when we cultivate the wheat, at that time temperature we must need 10 to 15, 20 to 25, and 85% of wheat we are getting from the states of UP, Punjab, Haryana, and even Rajasthan. So that is what I am going to do in a board. So the first one, second most important crop. Second point, 22% of land occupied or land using 22% of land using for wheat production. Third one, 10 to 15 degree Celsius. 10 to 15 degree Celsius recur at the time of sowing. Fourth, 20 to 25 degree Celsius recur at the time of harvesting. Then fifth one, 85% of wheat production received from Punjab, Haryana, UP, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Rajasthan. So this is what an answer. So 85% of wheat production received from Punjab, Haryana, UP and Rajasthan. So these many points only comes for wheat geographical factors. So these are the factors which necessary for the wheat production. And one more thing, I forgot to inform you, forgot to share with you for the rice production. Rice cultivated on 3 ways. Rice cultivated on 3 ways. So the first one, broadcasting. Second one, transplanting. Third one, drilling. So on 3 methods, we will produce the rice. So through the ways of broadcasting, and the second one transplanting, third one drilling. So this is what the answer comes for the geographical factors which need for both the cultivation of wheat and rice. So for the rice cultivation, temperature will be 24 degrees Celsius. For the rainfall will be 150 centimeter, and the suitable soil to produce the rice are loamy and clayey soil. And India occupies the second place after China on the production of rice. And rice will be cultivated through 3 methods. They on the methods of broadcasting, transplanting and drilling. Wheat will be cultivated with a temperature of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in the beginning. Later on, that should increase to 22-25 degrees Celsius. And nearly 22% of land is using for the wheat cultivation. Then wheat is the second most important crop which producing in India, and 85% of wheat we are getting 85% of wheat cultivating from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and even Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and UP. So these are the information which belongs to these both the detail. So up to this answer, this lesson over. So we have to look forward over the next lesson, either from geography or from other section. So I hope you are all waiting for my video. So I will post the video with the next lesson. So stay with me always. Deliver your support, trust to me, and share to your friends. Deliver the like button, trust my channel. So I hope you will do all these things. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.